All of you, good morning. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 12, carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid, preparation of aldehyde and ketone, Rosamond reduction and Stephens reaction and Friedel-Crafts acylation, Eddard reaction and Gattermann-Koch reaction. Before entering this video, subscribe this channel. Preparation of aldehyde, first method, Rosamond reduction. This is very important naming reaction. Acid chloride, general formula for acid chloride is RCOCl is a acid chloride on hydrogenation with H2 in the presence of PD bar BaSO4 to form a aldehyde. This reaction is called as a Rosamond reduction. Hydrogenation of acid chloride in the presence of PD bar BaSO4 to form a aldehyde. This reaction is called as a Rosamond reduction. One of the example for acid chloride is CH3COCl. Name of this compound is a acetyl chloride on hydrogenation with PD bar BaSO4 to form a acetaldehyde. CH3CHO. Name of this compound is a acetaldehyde. Another one example C6H5COCl. Name of this compound is a benzyl chloride on hydrogenation with PD bar BaSO4 to form a benzaldehyde. C6H5CHO. This is benzaldehyde. In this reaction, BaSO4 acts as a catalytic poison. If BaSO4 is not used in this reaction, Rosamond reduction, acid chloride on hydrogenation with PD bar BaSO4 to form a aldehyde. This reaction is called as a Rosamond reduction. One of the example, acetyl chloride CH3COCl on hydrogenation with PD bar BaSO4 to form a acetaldehyde. Next, another one example, C6H5COCl is a benzyl chloride on hydrogenation with PD bar BaSO4 to form a benzaldehyde. C6H5CHO. This is benzaldehyde. CH3CHO. This is a acetaldehyde. This reaction, BaSO4, barium sulfate, act as a catalytic poison for palladium. If in this reaction BaSO4 is not used, aldehyde further reduced into alcohol. So BaSO4 prevent the further reduction of aldehyde. Second method, Stephens reaction. This is also very important naming reaction. Alkyl cyanide reduced with SnCl2 bar HCl. Imine is formed, which on further hydrolysis give the aldehyde. One of the example for alkyl cyanide is CH3CN. This is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide is reduced with SnCl2 bar HCl. SnCl2 bar concentrated HCl. First step is a formation of imine. CH3 CH double bond NH. Name of this compound is a imine. This on further hydrolysis to form a aldehyde. This reaction is called as a Stephens reaction. CH3CHO. Name of this compound is a acetaldehyde. This also very important reaction. Alkyl cyanide reduced with SnCl2 bar HCl to form a imine, which on further hydrolysis to give a aldehyde. One of the example for alkyl cyanide is a methyl cyanide reduced with SnCl2 bar HCl. First step is a formation of imine. This on further hydrolysis give the acetaldehyde. Preparation of aldehyde. Third method, selective reduction of cyanides. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride selectively reduces the alkyl cyanide to form a imines, which on further hydrolysis give the aldehyde. One of the example for cyanide is a CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH2 CN. This on treatment with diisobutyl aluminum hydride diisobutyl aluminum nitrate, which on further hydrolysis to give the aldehyde CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH2 CHO. Name of this compound is here X4-enol. 1 2 3 fourth carbon is double bond is present, 6 carbon is present, so X fourth carbon is enol carbon, so 4-enol. Name of IUPAC name of aldehyde is ended with all, so name of this compound is a X4-enol. aldehyde தயாரிக்கூடிய முறை, முதல் முறை Rosemont reduction, acid chloride on hydrogenation with PD-BaSO4, aldehyde is formed. Next one is a preparation of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is one of the example for aromatic aldehyde. First reaction, Eddard reaction. This is toluene. Toluene react with chromyl chloride CrO2 Cl2 in the presence of carbon disulfide. Intermediate is formed. CrOHCl2. This intermediate on further hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This reaction is called as a Eddard reaction. This is benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. This is benzaldehyde. This is toluene. Benzaldehyde preparation, first method, Eddard reaction. Toluene react with chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon disulfide. First step is a formation of intermediate. This intermediate on further hydrolysis to form a benzaldehyde. Preparation of benzaldehyde, second method, Gattermann-Koch. This is also very important question answer. In Gattermann-Koch reaction, benzene react with carbon monoxide and concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of AlCl3 bar cuprous chloride to form a benzaldehyde. This reaction is called as a Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is benzaldehyde. This is benzene. Preparation of benzaldehyde, third method, from toluene. This is toluene. Toluene react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight, gives benzol chloride. Which on further hydrolysis with 373 Kelvin to form a benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. This is a benzol chloride. Preparation of benzaldehyde, three method is given. First one, Eddard reaction. Toluene react with chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon disulfide. Intermediate is formed. This intermediate on further hydrolysis give the benzaldehyde. Second method, Gattermann-Koch reaction. Benzene react with carbon monoxide and concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of AlCl3 bar CuCl to form a benzaldehyde. Third one, from toluene react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. First step is a benzol chloride formation, which on further hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin to form a benzaldehyde. Next one is a preparation of ketone, Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is very important. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, this is benzene C6H6 react with acetyl chloride CH3COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form a acetophenone. This is one of the example for Friedel-Crafts acylation and hydrochloric acid is formed. This is acetophenone. Preparation of ketone, first method, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Benzene react with acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form a acetophenone. Second one example, This is also benzene. Benzene react with benzyl chloride C6H5COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form a benzophenone. Benzophenone is one of the ketone C6H5. This is benzophenone. This is repeated question. Second method, acid chloride react with dialkyl cadmium to form a ketone. Acid chloride, one of the example for acid chloride is a CH3COCl. This is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride, two molecules of acetyl chloride react with dimethyl cadmium. This is dimethyl cadmium to form a acetone. Two molecules of acetone CH3COCH3 is formed. This is acetone. This is also example for one of the ketone. Second method, acid chloride react with dialkyl cadmium to form a ketone. Specific example, two molecules of acetyl chloride react with dimethyl cadmium to form a acetone. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.